Good morning, viewers and listeners of FM Show podcast. I am back with another video regarding the former or the Minister of Public Service who was fired, that is Justin Muturi. As of yesterday, Justin Muturi had an interview at the NTV and he went ahead to speak about politics. We all know that Justin Muturi is not pleased with the fact that President William Ruto abducted his son, and he even went ahead after Justin Muturi raised a question of who are the abductors or who took away his son. After he said that the NIAs are responsible for abducting people, the president went ahead and fired Justin Muturi. So, former public service CS Justin Muturi branded William Samoei Ruto irredeemable corrupt, accusing him of being unfit for the presidency. Muturi criticized Ruto's dual personality, calling him a dangerous character with differing public and private personas. He questioned the contradictions between Ruto's and corruption rhetoric and his alleged involvement in corrupt activities. Muturi accused Ruto of being directly involved in the controversial Adani deal, citing information from Ruto's advisor Adani Mohammed. Former Attorney General and Public Service CS Justin Muturi has delivered a verdict on President William Ruto leadership, branding him irredeemable corrupt. In a scathing interview on Friday, April 4th, the former cabinet secretary and ex-speaker of the National Assembly launched a blustering attack on Ruto, stating that he is unfit for the presidency. Muturi claimed that Ruto's dual personality makes him a dangerous character, questioning the integrity of the head of state. I think William Ruto is a person with two personalities. The William Ruto that presents himself to the public is a completely different character from the one that sits in office, behind in the office and craft stuff. I think that kind of person is quite a dangerous character. I think William Ruto is actually unfit for the position of President of the Republic of Kenya, Muturi said. He did not hold back in expressing his belief that Ruto was not fit to hold the highest office in the land. I have come sadly to that conclusion. I have nothing, no bitterness for me. I just feel my own assessment, he added. Muturi further ridiculed Ruto's stance on corruption, calling out the apparent contradiction between the president, public, and corruption rhetoric and his alleged involvement in corrupt activities. When I watch William Ruto sometimes talking to members of the cabinet and say, I don't want to see corruption in my government, then I start wondering who is this talking, Muturi posted. In what many will view as highly controversial statement, Muturi accused Ruto of being irredeemable corrupt. When directly asked whether Ruto was corrupt, Muturi responded without hesitation, saying, absolutely, very irredeemable corrupt. Muturi went on to reference the controversial Adani deal, a subject that has caused a stir in political circles. He claimed that Ruto was directly involved in the deal, alleging that the president's advisor Adani Mohammed had provided him with information linking Ruto to the deal, particularly concerning the airport project. I don't want to give you the obvious ones about the Adanis, because I have some background about it. He is the one who is clearly behind it. I know this because when his advisor Adani Mohammed invited me to attend the COP28 in Dubai in 2023, he gave me a lot of information which ended up with the Adani deal. About the airport specifically, Muturi ascertained William Ruto fired Muturi. He went ahead and took Bere North Member of Parliament Roko to come and replace Muturi. And we all know Roko won through the masses, or was endorsed by Justin Muturi to go and vie in that political seat as a member of parliament. So Muturi went ahead on. There is a saying which goes that when the alligator comes out of water and tells you the crocodile is sick, you have to believe the alligator. There is no way you can avoid believing, because the alligator knows the waters and he knows when the crocodile is sick or not sick. So Muturi is from the cabinet and he is telling us that the president was directly involved in the corrupt Adani deal. Why shouldn't we believe him? Why shouldn't we hold William Ruto accountable for that? Why is the president lying to us that he knew nothing about the Adani deal? Muturi and he alisema they dialed a wrong call, na huyu jamaa atatoboa siri na za kutosha kwa hii serikali. We are waiting to see what Muturi's next move will be. Let's meet on our next video. What do you think, my guys? Was Ruto directly involved, or is Muturi bitter because he was fired? What do you think? Let's meet in our next video. Consider subscribing, share, like, and comment below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.